Hey y'all, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a brand new line dance called the Down South Shuffle by the line dance king himself, Cupid. If you like to dance the Cupid Shuffle, and honestly, who doesn't, then I think you're really going to like this. Cupid has done it again. It's a nice basic line dance that anyone can stand up and do. It's going to get you moving. We're going to break down the steps nice and slow, step by step. There's not going to be any music in this video though. So this is going to be the tutorial only where I'm going to break down the steps. And there's a separate video where I'm going to dance it with music. That video is linked down in the description below or up here in this card. So go check that out when you want to see what the dance looks like with music or when you're ready to practice with music. But for now, stand up. Let's get our Down South Shuffle on. Here we go. We're going to have 4 walls, 4 8 counts or 32 counts total. No tags, no restarts. Nice, basic, super fun line dance. So we're going to listen. He's going to tell us what to do. He's going to say to the left, to the left. This is going to be a turn. If you don't feel comfortable turning, it's just 4 steps to the left. Left, right, left, right. So you're just taking it to the left for 1, 2, 3, 4 counts. If you feel comfortable turning, you're going to turn to your left. So you're going to go left, right, left, right. Same thing. 4 steps. You're just turning them. 5, 6, 4 steps to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to do a little body roll action. So you have 4 counts to roll your body in whatever way feels good to you. Side to side, front to back. Just have fun with it. Just move, whatever feels good. So we're going to turn to the left for 4 counts, body roll or dance, just freestyle dance for 4 counts. Just have fun. It's just a line dance, y'all. It's for fun. 5, 6, 4 counts left. Go 1, 2, 3. Then body roll 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our first 8 count. Our second 8 count, we're going to take it to the right, to the right. So if you're not turning, you're just stepping 4 counts to the right this time. Right, left, right, left. 4 counts. If you are okay turning, you're going to go right, left, right, left. Turn it to the right. Choose your adventure. 5, 6, 4 steps to the right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do that 4 count body roll again. Whatever feels good to your body here. 4 counts. So we're going turn it or walk it to the left for 4 counts. Body roll. Then we repeat that, but take it to the right. 2, 3, 4, and body roll. Here we go. Let's try it. 5, 6, 5, 6. Take it to the left. Go 1, 2, 3. Then body roll 5, 6, 7. Take it right. 1, 2, 3. Then body roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. You're doing an awesome job. Remember, if you're moving, you're doing it right. Let's go on our third 8 count. Turn to the left. We took it to the right. We did our 4 count body roll. Now we're going to take it to the front. So all you're going to do is take your right foot out, step on it, your left foot out, step on it. So we're going right, left, right, left. You're just switching your feet. Right switch, left switch, right switch, left switch. That's 4 counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. Just try that. Go right, left, right, left. 5, 6, 4 counts. Right foot first, right, then left, then right, then left. On 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to take it down south. You're going to do a big dip. You're going to step forward with your right foot, and you're going to sit into your legs and kind of scoop, dip down, and then bring that right foot back. You have 4 counts to do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can rock back and forth. If that feels better, you can just take one big, slow dip to the front. Take it down south. That's on 5, 6, 7, 8. So our third 8 count, we have 4 little kick steps to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and step forward on your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that. So 4 steps here. 5, 6, 7, right foot goes right and left and right. Step forward and down. 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Let's go back to the top one time, put it together before we add our last 8 count. So we're going to take it to the left, 4 count body roll. Turn or don't. 5, 6, 7, go left, right, left body roll. 5, 6, 7, take it right. 1, 2, 3, body roll. 4 counts. 6, right foot forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, fantastic. Our fourth and final 8 count. You just did your dip. You came back, put your weight on that right foot. It's going to say to the left, to the right again. You're just going to touch your left foot out and then step it back in. Touch your right foot out and you want to touch it back in. Don't put your weight on it because we're going to step on it again. So you're going left out, left in, right out, right in, but no weight on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, it says to the left, to the right, then we're going to turn it. You're going to do a grapevine. So from behind it looks like this. Right, left, right, touch. So 4 counts, moving to the right, right cross, back step, right, and touch. We call that a grapevine. Try it again. 4 counts to the right, adding that little cross back. If you don't want to cross back, then just step to the right. Whatever you're doing is perfect. But we're actually going to use that to turn us. So we did left, together, right, touch. We're not putting our weight on it. Then we're going to turn to your left wall, a quarter turn to do that grapevine. 5, 6, 7. You want to touch that left foot on 8 because then we're going to go to the left and start it over. Woo, and that's it. So that fourth and final 8 count, you did it. The fourth and final 8 count, we're going to go left, together, right, touch, then right, left, right, touch to face this left wall. Ooh, try that. 5, 6, left foot out, go left, together, right, touch, turn it. 5, 6, 7, touch 8. So from the top, nice and slow, we're going to take it to the left, turn for 4 counts or walk for 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, to the left, go 1, 2, 3, body roll. 5, 6, 7, to the right, go 1, 2, 3, 4, body roll. 6, feet kick front, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, dip. 5, 6, 7, to the left, left foot out, right foot out and touch, grapevine. 6, 7, touch 8. And then we'll do it again. But for now, let's go a little bit faster. So stepping or turning to the left, you're doing awesome. 5, 6, 5, 6, take it to the left. Go 1, 2, 3, body roll. 5, 6, take it to the right. Go 1, 2, 3, body roll. Have fun. 6, 7, right foot front. 2, 3, 4, dip. 5, 6, 7, touch out left and right, then grapevine. Right, left, right. Fantastic. From here, you're going to start it over. So it'll say to the left, you're going to step or turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, body roll. 6, take it to the right. 1, 2, 3, body roll. Then we take that right foot out, right, left, right foot out and dip down. 6, 7, touch out left, touch out right. Then we're going to turn to the left or the back wall. To our left, it's the back wall. Grapevine, right, left, right, touch. And then you'll start it over and keep going till the end of the song. Great job. All right, let's do it one more time from the top. We'll do 2 walls. So we'll go all the way through and without stopping. After the grapevine, we'll do one more time all the way through. Yes, you got it. Here we go. Have fun. Down, south, shuffle. Start, take it to the left. 4 counts. 5, 6, 5, 6. Step on your left. Go 1, 2, 3. Body roll. 5, 6, 7. Take it right. Just have fun. Body roll. 5, 6. Right foot goes forward. 1, 2, 3. Step right and dip. 6, 7, 8. Left out. Then right out. Grapevine. 6. Start it over to the left. 1, 2, 3. Body roll. 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, body roll, 5, 6, right foot goes out, 1, 2, 3, right foot out and dip, 7, touch left, 1, 2, 3, grapevine, 5, 6, 7, then you'll start it over to the left. Great job. Amazing job. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. When you're ready to practice it with music, remember it's in a separate video. It's linked down in the description below, and I will dance through the whole song. I will cue it to help you remember the steps, and then I'll dance it a second time where I won't cue it, and you can practice doing it from memory. If you're interested in just downloading and listening to this song, Down South Shuffle by Cupid, I've also put a link down in the description where you can check that out. Thank you again for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, you can hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day, and I hope that we get to dance together again in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.